Hi, I'm Rich Frawley and I'm the Digital Forensic Specialist with ADF Solutions. Today we are going to conduct a boot scan of a MacBook Air with APFS, or the new Apple file system. At this point you have decided on search profile or profiles to use and prepared your collection key. When conducting a boot scan, Digital Evidence Investigator is forensically sound. This means that no changes are made to the target media. Prior to conducting a boot scan, establish how many USB ports are available and determine if a 4-port USB hub is required. 2 ports are required in order to complete a scan, one for the collection key and one for the authentication key. Once the scan has started, the authentication key can be removed. I have here a 4-port hub, collection key, authentication key, and the target computer which the 4-port hub is plugged into. To get to the Mac Startup Manager, hold down the Option key while powering on the computer. We can see the bootable devices, including the system drive and the USB device. Let's select the USB boot device. When booting to the collection key, Digital Evidence Investigator will automatically launch the application to scan the computer. No user input is normally required within the Windows Boot Manager. At the main menu, to continue with the boot scan, click on Scan Computer. We're going to select the target device, the drive or partitions that we want to scan, and if you'll notice here the APFS designation for Apple file system. Select our search profile and then fill out any scan information that's required. Once that is all done, we can select the scan button on the bottom. This is the point at which we insert our authentication key to start the scan. And once that scan has started, the authentication key can be removed. I can now utilize this authentication key with another collection key in order to conduct another or many other scans while on site. Once started, the scan activity will be shown with the following: your progress bar, which shows the current area and files being scanned, your matches pane, which will show any matches and files being collected, and then your capture results. During the scan, you can also view results. When the scan is completed, you can also go to the imaging portion of our tool should you want to image the computer. If for any reason during the scan you need to stop, you can stop the scan. And remember, if you need to stop a scan for any reason, everything you have collected up to that point is on the collection key and able to be analyzed. No post-scan collection is required. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time.